si Pulong Duterte ang mag-aayos ng magbibigay ako ng pera sa kanila. Si Manascarpio, nababanggit din nila kasi pupunta rin sa BOC, nag-aayos din ng mga alerts.
How many times did you visit Davao City during the time that you're trying to seek help about the release of your shipment?
Isang beses lang po.
Isang beses lang. And the purpose of you traveling to Davao City is what?
Sabi nila, kailangan ko raw magbigay ng tuition fee.
Tuition fee.
Yes. So, yun yung kanilang ginamit na word.
Tuition fee.
Yes.
And what is the purpose of this tuition fee?
Ayun, para ma-accept daw ako sa grupo nila. Tapos, every week, magbibigay ako sa kanila ng pera.
With your admission in this group that you are referring to, what representation did they give you in relation to the challenges that you are experiencing with regards to the release of your shipment?
Unang-una, nagbigay ako sa kanila. So,
How much is that money?
5 million.
5 million. What is the
So-
purpose of you giving that 5 million?
Yun nga, para mapapasok na daw sa Davao Group. Kasi kung hindi ka kasama sa kanila, i-alert nila yung mga containers mo. So, hindi ka makakapag-transaction sa Bureau of Customs. Lahat ng pangaharas ginawa nila sa akin. Pati nanay ko, balak nilang patayin.